I want to talk to you about the 3D printer that has truly changed my way of working, the SprintRay Pro2. Working with this machine is a completely different experience compared to other systems. First of all, no more calibration errors. Everything is automatic, from alignment to resin type recognition. Secondly, you never get dirty. With the wash and dry system and the Nanocure polymerizer, everything is integrated, clean, and designed for the clinical digital workflow. It can be controlled directly from a browser, which means no dependence on the computer's power. You can use it anywhere you are, even remotely. Imagine a dental technician starting a print from their laboratory, or a dentist sending files to the print queue over the weekend. SprintRay makes all of this possible. And the best part? The availability of certified resins for medical use is impressive. Surgical guides, models, temporary restorations, permanent crowns, all with professional quality. Finally, thanks to integration with intelligent CAD software, you can automatically generate onlays, inlays, crowns, even if you're not an expert in modeling. In short, fast, clean, automatic, remote, and versatile. SprintRay Pro2 is not just a printer, it's a true partner for the digital studio.